gray hair will disappear. Forget about expensive salon visits. Natural ingredients you already have at home are enough. Plus, your hair will be shiny and smooth. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee to enhance your natural shade and deepen the color. Mix in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to strengthen the tone and give your hair a warm glow. Add 1 egg yolk, a natural source of protein and nutrients that repair and strengthen strands from root to tip. Now pour in 1 cup of plain yogurt to moisturize, smooth, and keep your hair soft and flexible. Next, add 1 tablespoon of hair oil to boost shine and protect against dryness. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon through a strainer. It works as a natural brightener and adds freshness. Mix everything well until you get a smooth brown paste. Apply evenly to gray hair and leave for 1 hour to let the ingredients do their magic. This recipe makes enough for 2 uses. Results show after the first treatment: silky, soft hair with a beautiful natural color. Gray hair will disappear. This homemade recipe is truly simple. It takes just a few minutes to prepare a solution for treating gray hair, whether it's roots or gray strands at the temples. This mixture works 100%. Start by preparing a red onion. Cut it in half and finely grate it. Place a strainer over a second bowl and transfer the grated onion to it, pressing to extract the juice. Onion juice contains the enzyme catalase, which, when used regularly, prevents hair from turning gray. Next, add lemon to the onion juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl with the onion juice. Lemon strengthens the hair. Now, take a tablespoon and squeeze some toothpaste onto it. Mix the toothpaste thoroughly with the onion and lemon juice until well blended. Apply this mixture to your scalp and all over your hair. Leave it on for about an hour. Then, rinse your hair with water and wash it as usual with shampoo. Regular use of this onion-based mixture guarantees the elimination of gray hair regardless of age. Rosemary and aloe are a remedy for hair loss. Your hair will grow like never before. This method also helps with gray hair. Your hair will stop falling out and will grow quickly. Many people have seen their gray hair disappear thanks to this mixture. It strengthens the hair, eliminates dandruff, and darkens gray hair. You will need a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Put the leaves in a bowl. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which supports hair growth. Additionally, its antibacterial properties help maintain a healthy scalp and prevent dandruff. Next, take 2 aloe leaves. Peel the aloe leaves as shown in the video. Do the same with the second leaf. Scrape all the gel-like consistency of the aloe into the bowl. Aloe acts as a natural conditioner for hair. It moisturizes dry hair in the scalp, soothes scalp irritations, and promotes hair growth thanks to its nutrient content. Mix these 2 ingredients and put them in a blender. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the contents of the blender into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of natural shampoo and mix well. Pour your new shampoo into a pump bottle for easier application. Wash your hair with this shampoo regularly, once a week, and I guarantee great results. A homemade hair growth oil that works overnight. It helps reduce hair loss and makes thin hair look fuller. All thanks to natural ingredients. Rosemary is an amazing herb known for its strengthening properties. Cut a few fresh sprigs of rosemary and place them in a bowl. Rinse them well with water to remove any impurities. Pour about 4 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Place a metal bowl inside to create a water bath. Add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes the hair, protects it from breakage, and leaves it soft and shiny. The next ingredient is castor oil. Pour in about 2/3 of a cup. Add the cleaned rosemary sprigs to the oils and stir thoroughly. Heat in the water bath for about 20 minutes so the ingredients can blend and release their benefits. Strain the mixture into a clean container, then transfer it to a sealed jar. That's how you make homemade rosemary hair oil. Used regularly, it strengthens the roots, reduces shedding, and leaves hair thick, full, and radiant. I rub this into my hair before every wash, and my hair is strong and shiny as if I had an expensive salon treatment. No more hair loss. This homemade mask is all you need. To prepare it, take 1 ripe avocado. Avocado deeply moisturizes, nourishes, and rebuilds the hair structure. Cut it in half, twist, remove the pit with a knife, score the flesh, and scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl. The next ingredient is olive oil. It regenerates, strengthens the roots, and adds a beautiful shine. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add a little honey for softness and elasticity. Mash and mix everything until smooth and creamy. Your natural mask is ready. Apply it from roots to ends. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual. The result: hair that's nourished, smooth, shiny, and silky, soft, just like after a professional salon treatment. With regular use, it becomes stronger, and you won't be picking up strands from the floor or your brush anymore. Put a strainer on your head and get ready for salon-style curls. Spray your straight hair with water along its entire length so it's slightly damp. Take a kitchen strainer and bend your head forward. Place all your hair inside the strainer and start blow drying, aiming the warm air directly at the strainer. Dry for a moment without moving the hair. Then remove the strainer and enjoy beautiful, natural curls. No curling iron or effort needed. You've got to try this trick. Apply this to your hairbrush. It solves a common problem. Dirt on a brush isn't just leftover styling products, but also oil, dead skin, and dust that build up with every use. This transfers dirt back onto clean hair. Before I show you this simple trick, first clean your brush thoroughly. Prepare a large bowl with warm water, then add shampoo and a little vinegar. The shampoo removes grease, while the vinegar has antibacterial properties. Together, they create a perfect cleaning mixture that is gentle on the brush, but effective in removing buildup. Soak the brush in the solution for about 15 minutes. After that, take it out and clean between the bristles. Rinse it under running water to remove any residue and let it dry with the bristles facing down. Now for the main trick. Before using your clean brush again, place a wet wipe over it. As you brush, all hair and dirt will collect on the wipe instead of the brush. When you're done, simply remove and discard the wipe. Your brush stays clean for longer, saving you time on frequent washing. Combine aloe with honey and discover the secret to younger-looking skin without spending a fortune. This natural treatment makes me look 10 years younger. It's a simple DIY method you can prepare in just minutes, and the results will surprise you more than any expensive store-bought cream. Add aloe gel to a small bowl. Aloe deeply hydrates, soothes, regenerates, and slows down skin aging. Next, add half a shot glass of honey, preferably linden honey, which nourishes the skin and has antibacterial properties. Then add half a tablespoon of turmeric, which brightens discoloration and gives the skin a radiant glow, leaving it fresh and luminous. Mix everything well into a smooth, even paste. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or any areas that need hydration, regeneration, and rejuvenation. The skin becomes soft and smooth. It's a natural mask for discoloration and dull skin. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and enjoy results that feel like a professional treatment without leaving home.